Are you aware of the secret recipe that transforms ordinary individuals into millionaires? Let's unlock this mystery together. Greetings, folks. This is Japarico, your guide on this exciting journey towards achieving millionaire status. Our first checkpoint on this road is developing an ironclad money mindset. Confidence in your ability to generate wealth is the foundation stone of this journey. Envisioning abundance and prosperity as a part of your reality is the first step to making it happen. Moving on to the next step, brace yourself for taking calculated risks. Yes, the journey to becoming a millionaire is not one for the faint-hearted. It demands courage, boldness, and the willingness to step out of your comfort zone. Now let's talk about investments. Not just investing in stocks or real estate, but the most important investment you can make, investing in yourself. Fuel your mind with knowledge, learn new skills, and keep yourself updated with the ever-evolving market trends. Remember, in the world of finance, knowledge truly is power. Let's not forget about discipline. It's easy to be swayed by the shiny allure of luxury, but millionaires are made by living within their means. Being disciplined with your spending habits and diligent in your saving strategies is a crucial part of the journey. And lastly, the company you keep plays a significant role in your journey. Surround yourself with goal-oriented individuals who inspire you, challenge you, and support your ambitions. After all, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. In a nutshell, the path to becoming a millionaire involves cultivating a robust money mindset, embracing calculated risks, investing in self-education, practicing financial discipline, and surrounding yourself with supportive, like-minded individuals. Yes, the journey is challenging, but remember, nothing worth having comes easy. With persistence, determination, and hard work, the millionaire status is not just a distant dream, but an achievable reality. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips on achieving financial success. This is Japarico signing off. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep striving, and keep growing.